Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. How are you? I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. This is the Look Fantastic Beauty Chest box. Ooh, it's so big it barely fits into the frame. I don't know what that was about, but anyway. Thank you again to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. Super excited and I'm really appreciative of you sending this out. I really do like Look Fantastic's bigger boxes. I feel like they're just, I don't know, like a better value, and also you get better stuff in there. So I'm very intrigued to open this up and see what we have here. But if you've never heard of this, let me tell you a little bit about it.
Yes, it's back and better than ever. The Look Fantastic Beauty Chest has dropped with an incredible 11 full-size products inside, worth $474. We can't wait for you to get your hands on this one. For just $135, get your hands on this incredible beauty extravaganza. Okay,
so this guy retails for a whopping $135. And you can get $20 off this chest if you use the code TheresaXBB20. Again, that's TheresaXBB20. All right, so without further ado, let's just open what's inside this bitch. If you remember correctly, this is pretty much the same packaging that is in their advent calendar, except it's in this beautiful little beauty chest, which I actually really like. This is actually pretty cute. So it's pretty much kind of comprised of one drawer and then like one pull-up thingy. And if you pull up, it's pretty cute. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little message over here. You get some of the products in the top along with some crunchy pubes. And then on the bottom, you get more crunchy pubes and the rest of the products. So without further ado, let's start with the top and work our way to the bottom. Never fails. The first product we get is from a brand I've never heard of. It's MAULI. MAULI? This is a Grow Strong Brow Oil. This retails for $14.73. It doesn't want to open. Oh, it's a roller ball for your eyebrows. It has organic argan, amla. There's a bunch of organic oils in here. And how the fuck? Oh, okay, so you glide the roller ball along the eyebrow direction of hair growth. You know what? I'm gonna try this out. This is actually pretty interesting. My brows, I would say, are pretty decent because my hair is so light. It looks like I don't even have fucking eyebrow hair. You know, I'm actually intrigued to try this product because my hair is like more on the finer side, so maybe I can grow some bushy brows. That would be kind of cool. So I am going to check this product out and let you know how it works in the future. Whoa, what the fuck? We got an hourglass product, kids. I love how it says full size. This is obviously a fucking sample, but okay. Whatever you say, Look Fantastic, whatever you say. I do love their veil powder. Veil powder is fabulous. But when I compare it to my brands like Chantecaille, for example, I like it more. But in a pinch, hourglass powder is always good. And this is worth 20 bucks. Not bad, not bad. You know, this is like a nice little kind of backup powder to have when I'm running low on things. So not mad about it. The next product is from By Terry. Oh, hello, bitch. This is worth $17, but I don't really know. Is this like a lip gloss? Maybe this is a lip gloss. Oh, okay, this is a lip balm. All right, not mad about it. Not mad at all. I'm gonna apply it to my face. It definitely has a, okay, it has a strong fragrance. Also, it's like a little frosty. It definitely has like some white frostiness, almost kind of silvery in a weird way on my mouth. It feels like I'm back in the 90s and everything is like frosted and pink, except make it white so it looks like I just stuck my lips into some buttercream, but like lightly, like a dash of buttercream lip. I don't like the smell of it. It has that old lady vagina smell. Okay. Nope. The next thing is from Arella. This is the Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer. Ooh, I love that good jaw. I don't know why I feel like I needed to say it like that, but here we are. This is worth $42.20 and I'm pretty sure that this is probably a deluxe size sample. This is an award-winning ultra-rich night cream with fuses probiotic ingredients with plant and flower botanicals to hydrate and soothe. Okay, all right. We'll give this fucker a whirl. Moving on to the next product from Christophe Robin. And this is the Regenerating Serum. I love Christophe Robin stuff. I really do. I think their hair shit is awesome. And I'm intrigued to try this stuff out. Ooh, for dry and damaged hair. Ooh, my hair does get dry. Ooh. It's definitely has gotten better because since switching to Dyson products, like being the bougie asshole that I am, my hair doesn't experience any heat damage, which is really nice, but my hair does get a little dry every now and again. So I'm intrigued to try it. Oh, yay. Okay, the next thing is from ELEMIS. And this is the Eye Revive mask worth $82. Ooh, I love ELEMIS products. I'm excited to try this Eye Revive mask. And the last thing that is in the top part of the box, oh God, why does Look Fantastic? I don't know why they have like these complicated products that come in these little teeny tiny tubes. I don't know, like they're just science experiments that I feel so fucking uncomfortable that I feel like if I drop them or if I don't open them correctly, it's just gonna spill everywhere and then it's gonna take over the world. That said, we have we have another thing from ELEMIS, and these are cleansing oil capsules and they're worth $25. I'm not gonna open them up, but as you can tell, like they basically look like tiny little pearls from the future. Like this is what I actually imagine our food's gonna be like in the future. You know, it's gonna be like, can I get some more pellets, please? Because that's really what it's gonna be. We're gonna be eating our turkey dinners in these little fucking pellets. So, okay. Interesting. Let's move on to the last part. Got you twice. Ooh, finally I see an actual full-size product from this brand. Oh, a silica packet. Never mind. I'm excited. Let's talk about the silica packet first. No, I'm kidding. Okay. I feel like I've never seen full-size products from this brand. I've only seen like little tiny ones. And this is the, I don't know if it's 311 skin, 11111111111 skin. I don't know what it is, but this is the antioxidant energizing essence and it's worth $82.80. And I think I'm just actually gonna give this to my best friend Michael. He loves a fucking essence, let me tell you. He loves a good time essence. I see him using this. I just see him using it. It's a glass frosted bottle, has a good weight to it. It could definitely hurt somebody if you hit him with it. I think he would love this. Michael, you're gonna get this. I'll give it to you when I live in Florida. Essentially, you're supposed to use this day or night after cleansing. Okay, all right, not bad. I love this. I've always wanted to have an eye mask, like a stupid bougie one, and this feels really comfortable. So this is from the brand GLOV, and this is worth $17. Oh, this is fabulous. Oh my God, this feels so nice. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I feel so happy. I feel like if this was black, you would be able to actually get like a good night's sleep because there's like no light poking in. But I actually really like it, and I love that it's satin and it actually feels really, really nice. And it's gonna match my satin hair ties. This is really cute. Oh no, not satin, silk. Or am I into, I forget what the fuck I like. Regardless, I actually like this. I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna put it on the top of my head and we're gonna keep on keeping on. The next product is from KEVYN AUCOIN. What, bitch? And this is the volume mascara. Oh, you know what? I've always wanted to try this mascara because I'm pretty sure I heard my girl Tara Lynn talk about this. And I think she liked it, or she would told me about it because I like skinny little mascara ones. So this retails for $28 and this is a full size and I'm excited and I actually cannot wait to use it because I feel like I'm gonna really love this thing. The next product is from EYEKO and I feel like I've gotten this literally not that long ago. And this is the skinny liquid eyeliner that retails for $22. This is fine, but this is like one of those products I really don't use. I actually wind up decluttering or just like giving to a friend. So it's probably what's gonna happen with this one. The next product is a 24 karat thing. What, bitch? This is the PRAI 24 karat gold wrinkle repair cream. This is worth $30. Doesn't look like it's gold to me. I was kind of hoping that it was gonna match the outside packaging. This basically looks like fucking buttercream, but okay. Let's see, what do you do with this? Apply on the clean face, AM or PM, avoid contact with eyes. Okay. You know, if you're gonna come out with something that says 24 karat gold, you better step up your pussy with this packaging. This is so like plastic and cheap. I don't know, I kind of expected more. I know, I'm being ridiculous, but I wanted more. And then last but certainly not least, we have a product from MURAD, which I am intrigued to try. And this is their oil-free water gel. This retails for $42.24. And this is a moisturizer. AM, PM, massage evenly over the face, neck, and chest. Okay. Ooh, that's fun. Okay. Oh, I like it because it doesn't have a smell. That's even better. Or if it does have a smell, it's very light and I can't smell it, which is even better. Better than that goddamn By Terry thing. And it feels really nice on the hands. I also love the shit out of this fucking bottle. That's really cool. All right, I can't wait to give this a whirl and let y'all know in a future video what I think of it, but that's pretty cool. All right, for $135 and this really adorable little chest, it's actually not that bad. take off this. It's really not that bad. The only thing, my kind of complaint though, is that in the description it says that these are all full-size products, and yes, for some they are, but for some they're not. And I wish they would kind of refrain from using that language, because I feel like that's just false advertisement. For example, this hourglass, this is really a deluxe full-size sample. Yes, they charged, I think, what, 20 or 25 bucks for this, but it's not the full size. Like, don't call that full size. And I want to say probably even this one too. This is not like a full size. This is a deluxe sample. So I think the By Terry as well. Everything else seems like it's full size. It's just those two. It's just like, come on. Just say deluxe size samples and full size products. I feel like that would just be like a better representation of this box. But the other thing that I like about these boxes too is that usually with these Look Fantastic, you know, like their advent calendar or their beauty chest or whatever, they label all the products. Also their icons box as well. They label all the products that you get in the box. So ultimately it's not like a mystery box of shit that, you know, you don't know if you're gonna like or not. This is curated specifically for people that like these products. And I have to say that this isn't bad. If I actually would have got this as a gift, I do see some things that are intriguing enough for me to really want to try. There's a couple of things that I'm like, oh, okay, like I could have dealt without, but for the most part, not mad at this. I'm really not mad about this. So not bad, Look Fantastic. You did a good fucking job. Not bad. All right, so let me know down below if you picked this up or if you plan on picking this up. Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just want to gobble you all up. I just want to be one with you. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye. You like that? Me too.